Oh, you guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna unbox the Eyescream beauty box. And here's your sneaky peeky. Let's see. Get all of it out of here. It looks like a good box, actually. Okay, so we have the Lash Step Matte About You palette. And I only paid $25 for this box. It says that this palette retails for $45. Matte About You by Lash Step. Never heard of this company before. But I'm obsessed with the packaging. It's so simple, but cute. Ooh, that's cute. It's like the perfect neutral colors. So pretty. I'm about to leave, so I'm not gonna swatch them for you guys. But stay tuned because we'll put this in the palette roulette, so I should be using it soon. Let's see, next thing we got is Joyce Bonelli Cosmetics Flawless Setting Spray with SPF. And it looks like this. That packaging is phenomenal, and this retails for $25. I've been trying to get a good stock on setting spray. So freaking shiny. Okay. I don't like the sprayer on it, but I'm a sucker for the packaging, so. And that's the Joyce Bonelli Cosmetics Flawless Setting Spray with SPF. So I definitely will be saving this for the summertime because I get burnt like crazy. I get burnt. Okay, next thing we have is the Cheeky Rose Beauty Blush Brush, which it looks like this. And it says this retails for $36. I don't know, but I always keep the brushes because I always forget to clean brushes, so. To me, I feel like I would use this for more like bronzer, not blush. That's just my personal preference. But it is a pretty brush. It is a pretty brush. I don't know. I mean, it's soft, but I don't know if I would ever spend $36 just on a brush. So we'll use it because we got it in the box. And then we got the Bow Bay Beauty Beached Blush, which it looks like this. That's so pretty. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be a fall shade too. These are every single brand in this box I've never used. And we might actually be keeping everything in the box because I'm actually obsessed. If I can get this out. Can't get this out of there. There we go. Box rip a little bit. So Bow Bay Beauty. I love the packaging. And it is a pretty fall blush shade. Super pretty, super pretty. And then the last thing we got is this Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. And this retails for $21. And it's the shade Secret. It's like a shimmery, peachy shade. I'm gonna leave it packaged up. I'll hold on to it. I don't know if I'll ever use it, but we'll see. We'll see. That is very pretty, and the camera's not doing it justice. But that's our November Eyescream beauty box. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've tried any of these products or any of these brands, because I've never used any of these brands or products ever, so I'm super excited to try them out. And yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios!